in Biafra land. The zoo themselves said that they will be celebrating their 1st of October, their independence on 1st of October. But I want to say this very evening that on that very day, 1st of October, there shall be no movement in Biafra land. We will show the zoo that we have repudiated them. On the 1st of October, this very year, 2021, we must show the zoo that we have rejected every vestiges of the authority over us. And not only that, we are going to have a sit at home, a complete lockdown of the whole of Biafra land. We must begin from this very night to remove every flag of the zoo that is found anywhere in Biafra land must be brought down. Every flag that symbolizes the servitude, the slavery that we are on, that we have been put into. Every flag of the zoo which symbolizes the oppression and the presence of the enemy in our land must be brought down from this night going forward. It does not matter where it is, with the exception, one exception, my dear people. One exception, because we know the enemy and we know what they do, we know how they think. We think ahead of them. One exception, and that exception is that in bringing down the zoo flag, nobody, and I repeat, nobody must interfere or go to any bank to bring the zoo flag down. That must not be done, because what the enemy will do is that they will go and rob a bank and they say, yes, these are IPOB people because they gave them the instruction to go and bring flags down, and then they will rob a bank. I want to repeat that every place, whether it is government office, government quarters, or governor's office, whatever it may be, secretariats, any institution, any organization, any company that mounted the zoo flag, which symbolizes only one thing, oppression of the enemy in our midst, that company, that institution, that organization must bring it down, or else we shall bring it down ourselves. And with the exception, I want you to repeat, with the exception of banks, do not go to any bank to remove the flags. We will communicate with the banks ourselves and tell them of the importance of their removing and bringing down any zoo flag in their premises. We will communicate with them. Therefore, this instruction and this directive exempts the bank for now. We know that the plan of the zoo and their co-travelers and workers with the intelligence report that we have received is that they are planning, they are considering, they are contemplating whether or not to bring Onyendu to court on the 21st of October. And I want to tell them that if they try for any reason, and on the 21st of October, our leader is not brought to court, because they said they have charges against him. Okay, we accept. You have charges against him, fine. You want to bring him to court, fine. And he is healthy, he is okay to come to court, therefore you must bring him to court on the 21st of October next month. Failing which, Ndiefulefu must listen now. The politicians, you must hear us, so that you will not say that you were not informed, you were not told. If our leader is not brought to court on the 21st of October, we will lock down Biafra land non-stop for 1 month and going forward. And if after that 1 month they still do not bring him for us to see that our leader is well and healthy, we shall declare an indefinite lockdown of the whole of Biafra land. And we want to tell the politicians to challenge us, and they will see that we are not here for any games and we are not here for play. I wish to repeat, and because this is very important, that the 1st of October this very year shall not, abroad, not even a goat must be seen outside. Not a cockroach, not a fowl must be seen outside. This is the time that the world must see, because while we are sitting at home on the 1st of October is to tell the whole world that we have in spirit and in physical realm rejected the zoo. We have rejected Nigeria. Our ancestors, the land of Biafra, has rejected Nigeria. And once we have rejected them, we will go further and remove every vestige of the oppressive presence in our land. I wanted to repeat this so that it sinks in, and that our people understand that this leadership, we are marching forward ahead. We cannot be distracted. We cannot be, the enemy cannot set our agenda for us. The enemy cannot set our agenda for us, because that is what they are trying to do. They want us to begin to focus on the distraction that they will be, breaking out here and there. But we are focused, and we are marching ahead in accordance with the plan that we have to make sure we reach our objective, to make sure we achieve our objective, to make sure that Onye Ndimari Nnamdi Kanu, the Ohamadike, the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, is with us sooner than later. I want to thank all of you for listening to this very